Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of Australia, ladies and gentlemen of the world. Dan Seymour here from Dan Poet 13 at YouTube. Busy with the pencils again, and I've written a beautiful piece for nature lovers. The title is The Songbird. See if you can work out what kind of bird it is. Here we go. The Songbird. There came one night a songbird. His song sang in the night. They said that it's the wrong bird. They said it's black and white. Oh, lovely, lovely songbird, you know I love your song, the sweetest song that I've heard, where nothing there is wrong. The night, the song, the middle of the night, much sweeter than the fiddle, so sweet, such pure delight. Oh, hark, I hear my songbird. He's chortling in the night. Some said can't be the wrong bird. It's there in black and white. My lovely, lovely songbird, your love, it fills my ears. I know you're not the wrong bird. Your song allays my fears. Come unto me, my songbird. The dawning, it draws near. I know you're not the wrong bird. Your song's so crisp and clear. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you liked it.